Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Fine-Tuning LLMs, teaching an AI new tricks for specific tasks. Imagine a super smart student who has read every single book asterisk in the world: history, science, fiction, news. That's kind of like a large language model. LLM. It knows a lot about language, can answer general questions, write stories, and summarize texts. It's like having a general-purpose AI assistant that's really good at talking and understanding. Built by brilliant engineers. When we say an LLM is pre-trained, it means it spent a lot of time studying that massive library of internet text. It learned grammar, facts, common sense, and how to respond in a human-like way. Think of it as a brilliant generalist, like a highly educated person who knows a bit about everything. It's great for common tasks, but sometimes you need a specialist. And that's where you, the developer, come in. What if you need an AI that specifically writes product descriptions for your unique clothing brand? Or an AI that acts as a customer service agent for your specific software? Knowing all its quirks? Our brilliant generalist AI might struggle with the nuances. This is where fine-tuning comes in. It's like taking our highly educated generalist and sending them to medical school to become a heart surgeon, specializing for a specific, important task. Fine-tuning means we take that pre-trained generalist LLM and show it a small, specific set of new data. For our clothing brand, it would be examples of your product descriptions. For customer service, it would be conversations about your software. The LLM then adjusts its brain, its internal weights, slightly to become really good at that specific task. It's not learning from scratch. It's adapting its existing knowledge, making it a powerful tool for developers. As a developer, your job involves two key things here. 1. Specific data. You need a collection of examples, your case studies, that showcase the new trick you want the AI to learn. This data needs to be high quality and relevant. 2. LLM platforms, APIs. You won't build an LLM from scratch. Instead, you'll use platforms like OpenAI, Google AI, Hugging Face, that offer pre-trained LLMs and tools, APIs, to fine-tune them. You provide the data, they handle the complex training process. It's like plugging into a service. Why bother fine-tuning? As a developer, you gain better performance. The AI becomes incredibly good at your specific task, often outperforming a general LLM. More relevant, it sounds and acts exactly how you want it to, aligning with your brand or specific domain. Efficiency. You don't need a huge, new dataset. Fine-tuning uses a smaller, focused dataset, making it quicker and often more cost-effective than training a whole new model. Control. You have more control over the AI's behavior and tone for your application. Imagine these uses that you, as a developer, can build: personalized chatbots, a customer service bot for your specific software, knowing all your product IDs and troubleshooting steps; content generation, an AI that writes blog posts or marketing copy in your unique brand voice asterisk; code assistant, an AI fine-tuned on your company's internal codebases to provide hyper-relevant suggestions. This is how you leverage AI to solve specific business problems. To fine-tune, you'll typically 1. Identify a task. What specific problem do you want your AI to solve? 2. Gather data. Collect high-quality examples for that task, e.g., input-output pairs. 3. Choose a platform. Select an LLM provider, OpenAI, Google AI, etc., that supports fine-tuning. 4. Use their API, SDK. Follow their documentation to upload your data and initiate the fine-tuning process. 5. Test and iterate. Evaluate your fine-tuned model and refine your data or parameters as needed. It's an iterative process, just like any other development task. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.